Los Angeles, the city of dreams, where homes should be just as breathtaking as the skyline. At DDN Construction Incorporated, we don't just remodel houses, we bring your vision to life. For over 25 years, DDN Construction has been the trusted name in home transformations. As a premier remodeling contractor, we specialize in turning ordinary spaces into extraordinary living experiences. From stunning kitchen remodels to luxurious bathroom renovations, custom home additions to full-scale home makeovers, we do it all with precision, passion, and professionalism. Our team of skilled craftsmen and design experts work closely with you every step of the way, ensuring every detail reflects your unique style and needs. At DDN Construction, we believe in a stress-free remodeling experience. That's why we offer personalized consultations, transparent pricing, and a seamless process from start to finish. Fully licensed, bonded, and insured, our work speaks for itself. With a 5-star reputation and award-winning service, we're the general contractor homeowners trust across Greater Los Angeles. Your dream home isn't just a vision, it's a reality waiting to happen. And with DDN Construction Incorporated, that dream starts today. Ready to start your home transformation? Contact DDN Construction Incorporated now for a consultation. Let's build something beautiful together. Visit us online or call today. DDN Construction Incorporated, where your dream home becomes a reality.